Hi everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
So basically there are three muscles: skeletal, smooth and cardiac. First we will talk about skeletal. But before starting the skeletal muscle topic, we have to remember that what is the basic process for development of muscle. So basically mesenchymal cells start elongating, and the elongation of mesenchymal cells is called as myoblasts. And when the mesenchymal cells elongate, they are called as myoblasts, and then myoblasts will fuse together. When they are more and more myoblasts, they will fuse together and form a tube called myotube. And after that, actin and myosin and some organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. will arise in that microtube, in the cytoplasm of that microtube, and then it will called as muscle fiber. Okay, then after few muscle fiber, connective tissue and muscle fiber will combine and form perimysium and epimysium. But how the endomysium is formed? Endomysium is formed by reticular fiber. What is perimysium, what is epimysium, what is endomysium? I will tell you. Muscle consists of three layers: epimysium, which is outer layer. The bundles of muscle fibers, the whole muscle is covered by a layer called epimysium. In that muscle, bundles of muscle fibers are present, and that bundles are covered by perimysium. And each muscle fiber individually, single muscle fiber, is covered by a layer called endomysium, which is formed by reticular fibers. Remember one thing: the skeletal muscle will not divide after first year baby. Okay, let me correct this sentence. After 1 year age, no division of muscle will occur. Okay, so you will think, you are thinking right now that you should think कि how the muscle develop in the boxers, क्योंकि बॉक्सर की उम्र तो 18 साल के बाद बॉक्सर कोई बनता है, कोई बॉक्सर 30 साल का होता है, उसके भी मसल डेवलप हो रहे होते हैं. तो हाउ दैट प्रोसेस हैपन? सो बेसिकली द मसल्स विल डेवलप आफ्टर 1 year. They will develop by elongation. They will not divide. Before one year age, in the baby or in the fetus, the muscle also have the ability to divide, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता after 1 year age. Okay, and one most important thing is कि I was saying that myoblasts fuse together and form a tube called myotube. It is true कि myoblasts fuse होते हैं, but in smooth muscle it is not. ओके, स्मूथ मसल में यही प्रोसेस होता है, बट मायोब्लास्ट फ्यूज नहीं होते. तभी वो यूनी न्यूक्लिएटेड होते हैं, मोनो न्यूक्लिएटेड होते हैं, जबकि स्केलेटल मसल मल्टी न्यूक्लिएटेड होते हैं. ओके, नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग: mesenchymal cells will form myoblasts, and myoblasts will form further things. Okay, myotome. What is myotome? Myotome is the part of somite, and it divides into two regions: dorsal epiaxile or epimere, and another is ventral epiaxile or hypomere. These are supplied by primary ventral rami and primary dorsal rami, and from these these regions, myoblasts will form muscles. Okay, but the myoblasts which are present in the dorsal epiaxile will form epiaxile muscles, and the myoblasts which are present in the ventral hypaxile will form hypaxile muscles. Okay, epiaxile muscle and hypoaxile muscle. So remember these points. Now what is paraxile division or epimere division? From epimere division or paraxile division, or in other words dorsal epiaxile, extensor muscle of neck and vertebral column, and also sacral and coccygeal myotome will arise. From the hypomere, अभी जो हमने बात की वो एपिमेयर की थी, अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं हाइपोमेयर की. सो फ्रॉम द हाइपोमेयर, मायोब्लास्ट of scalene muscle and scalene muscle, prevertebral, gynohyoid and infrahyoid muscle will arise. Thoracic myotome will form lateral and ventral flexor muscle. Lumbar myotome will form quadratus lumborum, and sarcococcygeal myotome will form sex organ muscle. And what is myotome? Myotome is the area from which myoblast will arise, and then muscle will form if we talk about sarcococcygeal myotome. So myotome will arise, myoblast will form, and myoblast के बाद सारा process होने के बाद the muscle will arise, and that muscle will form sex organ muscle. Okay, that the muscles are sex organ muscle. If we talk about thoracic myotome, so the myotome, so they will form so this is the area of thoracic region from which the myoblast will arise, and myoblast के बाद myotube वगैरह वगैरह, and muscle will form, and they form flexor muscles. Okay, so this is the process, and that's why I have already told you the whole basic process के भाई पहले elongation होगी, फिर myoblast, फिर myotube, फिर organelles वगैरह वगैरह. One more thing, smooth muscle. Now we talk about smooth muscle. So smooth muscle will form from splanchnic mesenchyme. Okay, so somatic muscle will derive from splanchnic mesoderm, and like I said, no division of myoblast will occur. And in cardiac muscle, cardiac muscle arise from the lateral splanchnic mesoderm. Okay, and smooth muscle will arising from the splanchnic mesenchyme. Okay, so here is the difference. And cardiac muscle, in cardiac muscle myoblast will form in skeletal muscle and smooth muscle. Sorry, in skeletal muscle myoblast will form myotube. In smooth muscle myoblast will directly form muscle fiber. In cardiac muscle myoblast will form myocardium. And in cardiac muscle PBX protein helps in its differentiation. So remember this point, and cardiac muscle can easily be seen in the 4th week of fetal development. So guys, take care of yourself and study hard, work hard, and good luck. Bye.